Hello everyone. You may see the first video of how to make a YAK 90. So we'll continue on the wing. Make sure to subscribe and slice that button right down in the comment. And thank you for watching. Please enjoy. So I'm gonna put this like there, and then put it like that, and then you put that backward, and then you put this thing right here, and then right here, and then you make this like that, and then number 2 in there, like that. So now we're gonna do tail wing. Tail wing is pretty easy to make. It's like that, and then you go up. It may be hard or maybe easy. It's like that, and then you put a thing like here, like there, like that, and then you put that thing up. If you don't want to sign on the thing, just put a normal wing up like that. And yeah, so I'm probably going to do a normal wing up like that, like here, and then here. If you hate my voice, just mute them, okay? So now we gotta do with that thing right there. So this will be 2. And I'll put the TikTok thing in a server to follow my sister TikTok account. And yeah, so let's put the control surface on these 2 like that, and yeah, that's it. So you can test it now. I'll show you. So it's like that, and it do work great, but I'll cover that. Pretty easy and stuff. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you need to cover it too. I forgot. Now just cover that like that. Just like this. Oh shit. Like that. Now we'll begin working on the top. Just follow my lead. So now with this up, you put on the lock, lock, and then you stop all the way up. Tree, right guys? The tree. And now we'll put circle in this, like a cylinder. Another one. Shit. So that's done. Now we'll begin working on this part right here, guys. So yeah, just copy me slowly and straight. I don't know if these help, just put it up anyways. If these help, then we do 3. This is always easy, so give more speed and stuff. Now we're gonna use this. Where's the disconnect? There's the disconnect. Do this, that, then ding for the like that. And what you do is you just put like tick signs so no one can see your little sturdy secret. Just put it under here like that. There. Now that's done. Now we're gonna make the propeller pop. So now you just need a camera. If you always press one, just press this. And sorry if that annoys you, the sound. It just popped up out of nowhere when I press 0. It popped up out of nowhere. So yeah, just continue making that. Just like here and then here, make the propeller. Make sure that it's rotating the right way, because you always happen to me. First off, let's make sure that it's rotating the right way. So that would be E. Just put this to be E. It's R. So that's 0 and then E. Like that. And you just put it to 10 or 25. 25. Like that. Now we're gonna begin working on the wing, which is a hard bit. And we're gonna begin working on the wing anyway, so first we're gonna actually let's work on the head first, because it's hard. Okay, so if you find your way to get up here, just try your best. Or you can use a ladder. So the thing outpost. Anyways, I gotta go, guys. Outpost part 3 on. So make sure to slice that button and goodbye.